Black Diamond Present Rimming Night, General R8000 and VIP R15000. Understand what is rimming. Rimming is what the cool kids call using your tongue and mouth to stimulate someone else's attention. It can be focused primarily on the outer rim, hence rimming, but can also involve some dipping inside the attention with the tongue. The general technique is licking. Licking the perineum, that's the bit between your B-M and your G3N. TLS. Licking the outer rim. Licking the bits around the attention mouth and tongue and butt. That rimming.